In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a float to a number in Snowflake using the toNumber function. This is an essential technique when you find yourself working with floating point numbers, and you need to ensure they are converted to a fixed point number, which is the number data type. Understanding this process can be crucial when dealing with data that requires precision and accuracy, such as financial calculations or statistical data analysis. Let's begin by understanding the basics of what the toNumber function is designed to do. This powerful function serves the purpose of transforming an expression, in this case a float, into a fixed point number. This conversion is especially useful when your data analysis or processing tasks require the exactness of numbers without the floating point imprecision. First, the syntax for using the toNumber function is important to note. It follows this structure: toNumber, expression, format, precision, scale. Here, the parameters in square brackets are optional. What this means is you have the flexibility to specify the format of the number, or even the total precision, which denotes the total number of digits, and the scale, which defines how many digits will come after the decimal point. When it comes to the expression, this is simply the float you need to convert. You'll want to replace this with your actual float value, or a placeholder representing the column of float values that require conversion. Adding a format is optional too, and is used when you have a specific format in mind, though most situations won't require it. For those delving into the intricacies of precision and scale, it's important to be aware of what they truly represent. Precision limits the overall number of digits that your number will contain, while scale decides the portion of those digits that appear after the decimal point. An insightful tip when choosing these is to base your decision on the nature of your data and the type of analysis you're conducting. Financial datasets, for example, might require a scale that accurately reflects cents and dollars, ensuring calculations remain precise. And there you have it. This method using the toNumber function is all about precision, enabling you to confidently transition from floats to fixed point numbers with ease. Whether you're handling detailed financial records, engaging in rigorous statistical analysis, or simply seeking to maintain data integrity, knowing how to effectively use toNumber in Snowflake will undoubtedly enhance your data management skills. So next time you find yourself with a floating point number that needs accuracy and precision, remember this method, and you'll be well equipped to handle your data like a pro. Hope you found this tutorial insightful and feel ready to achieve precise conversion in Snowflake. Happy data transforming!